Yo, what's going on, guys? All my reptiles here, and today I'm going to be cleaning my guy Einstein's enclosure, which is right below me. He doesn't look too happy, and also he ate on Monday, so I don't know how often I will be able to hold him in this video, but he also looks like he's wanting food, which is weird, because, like, I fed you. But there's the... He's actually looks a little more mad than he really is, but he is in his moist hide because he likes it so much. Alright, bud, how are we gonna do this? He's halfway in and halfway out. This is a problem. In or out, bud. In or out. 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 Please, come on. Well, this is the progress. He has hooked the bedding onto himself. Almost there, bud. You're so close. Thank you. Alright, well, this is my snake Einstein. But what are you doing? He's beautiful. And we're gonna clean his enclosure because it's pretty nasty. I do spot clean it, but it's gotten to the point where it's been a long time. So there's no point in me just spot cleaning it because there's obviously like pee that you really can't spot clean because really poop you can only spot clean. But let's get him. Well, let's disassemble the cage and start cleaning. Well, one thing that I learned with this enclosure is it's really useful to use this. And obviously in any of my other closures I don't have this mat that the green mat that you see, but I use it with every enclosure that I have a heat mat or like heat tape or stuff like that, because I don't want him getting too close to it where he can potentially burn himself. So this just acts as an extra barrier. Yes, it is hot, but it won't get close enough, or he can't get close enough or to the glass, which gets extremely hot where it could definitely burn me when I'm trying to clean out the enclosure and stuff like that. And yes, it looks dirty, I get it. I have multiple others, but of course it was the winter time and I forgot that I needed to clean them off. But for the next enclosure clean, I will clean them off, or slash after this video I'm going to go clean them off and get them drying. But this thing is really useful. Now all we have to do is take the multitudes of aspen bedding that I have and dump it in here. And then I have to clean all the decor because he poops on it a lot. And that is the finished of one bag. Just a few more to go. I have wiped down the whole enclosure, and if you were wondering why this blue tape was right here, there's actually a crack in the glass. It is cracked because when I used a really heavy mat basically a clamp to hold the enclosure, because we thought he got out. And if you want a story time, I can give you a story time. We thought he got out, but apparently not. So, you know, that happened. So we thought we clamped it on there really hard, and then my mom put it on a little too hard, and apparently cracked the glass over here. Now, it's not enough to really pose a problem, which is nice. So all I have to do is put a piece of tape on it, and it's not going to affect anything. Now I do want to get him a new-ish enclosure, but that will be in the way future. This thing works fine. He loves this thing. He loves crawling all over it and whatever. But I'm going to get to washing and putting all the bedding in. Let's do it. Well, the two final pieces is his moist hide, which I do need to still spray down, but it's also like super wet because I washed everything down, and I sprayed down the bedding because the dust stuff, the aspen dust, whatever, really irritates my throat. So, not making that goes into my nostrils is nice. And the other last part is this monster. Yeah, I got my little beard now. The last thing I said was snake beard, apparently, because the SD card ran out of battery. Or sorry, not ran it. A battery's what runs out of battery. Hi. What do you want? But it ran out of storage, of course. So had to clear some of my other videos off of it that I've already edited and posted, like cleaning Inferno's enclosure and getting new mollies and plotties. But he looks happy. Nice new clean enclosure. Fresh aspen smell, I guess. But all we have to do is, clean off this first. That's disgusting. Give me one moment. Ready? 3, 2, 1. And there we go. All nice and undusted and aspenified. There's no aspen on it. But I'm sorry. I know. I literally just put you back, but I have to take you out again. He's doing well. He's a big boy now. But don't forget, guys, there's going to be a big announcement, which basically means 2 new arrivals to the reptile room / my room, because, you have to quarantine your animals or whatever. Because now I actually have more than just 1 or 2 animals in one room. So I actually have to do that now. So they'll probably be up in my room for the next month or so. But leave in the comments. I'm going to give you another hint. Last video I just told you that I was going to have an announcement. Let's say arboreal. An animal that is arboreal. And if you want to guess in the comments, I may give you a little more hints in the comments if you ask what it is. And some of my friends don't even think about it. Don't even think about saying what it is in the comments, because no crap, I've already told you, okay? So shut up, okay? I'm going to have to delete your comments, okay? Just kidding, I don't really care. But I'm gonna need names for them, so like if you want to put some random name suggestions, you can. But let's get this top on and let's finish the video for real. And that's it. Let's just lean over the enclosure next to a nice light. But that is going to do it for this video of all my reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed. And again, arboreal. Something arboreal is coming. There are two of them, but they're the same animal. Coming to the reptile room in June, early June, like 10th or I don't exactly know the date, but getting two new animals from two different breeders. So I can hopefully have a breeding project in the future. So stay tuned for that. So I will be selling animals for once instead of just cleaning and taking care of animals. But that's going to do it for this video of Long Reptiles. Hope you guys enjoyed. Obviously, I probably won't be doing any more of these cleaning enclosure videos. I'm just tired, and I have to get ready for a fishing tournament. So every day that I can, I have gone out fishing. So see you guys in the next video. I'm Long Reptiles. Peace.